Hello everyone, I'm Rushan Mehta. I'm from Team Droid and I'm from Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Bangalore. And I'm currently pursuing my operations. Now telling you about EIC Season 1. The reason that you should participate in EIC Challenge is it not only gives you a platform to showcase your skills, but you can also showcase your project in front of the industry experts and you can gain a lot from them. And apart from that, if you can also get an opportunity to work on the project, so you can actually see your ideas being implemented in the world. So I would highly recommend everybody to go and participate in huge numbers for EIC challenge. Telling you about my team and my experience with EIC, the whole Adjustify team managed the whole event pretty well. The finals was organized really well. It was online webinar where all the industry experts gave us insights about the industry and what is going on in the current world. Also, we got the opportunity to present in front of them and gain a lot from them. So go ahead guys, it's a great opportunity for you all. Participate in huge numbers.
Hi, this is Manali. I'm from SIBM Bangalore and we were the Team Droid in the EIC Challenge Edition 1. So talking about EIC Challenge and Justify, all in all, it was nothing less than a roller coaster ride, because right from the time you get your idea, the first round when we cleared the round and we were supposed to present it to in front of the in such esteemed panel of judges and the question and answer round, and every announcement they made about the winners or the way they have presented themselves has been amazing. And secondly, talking about Justify, and along with that, the EIC team is concerned as an organization. I feel EIC Challenge and EIC Challenge really did help us to get into a sneak peek world of a supply chain or logistic. But at Justify, the work they have done, the way they have been implementing our solutions that we suggested them has been amazing. And the EIC team has formulated the challenge in such an amazing manner that you don't feel left out. You constantly are on this the drive to perform well or to come up with something very innovative for them. You will have an amazing experience. So thank you and all the best to all the teams coming up.